Aloha Hula Hands, Daniel Rude from the Maui Hot List Hula Hand here with your hottest deal of the week. Thursdays, we like to offer you what we see as the hottest deal in the market. Today, I'm going to tell you about the hottest oceanfront property, oceanfront listing in the market on Maui right now. But first, uh, we got to wish Johnny a very happy birthday. He's not joining us today. He's out surfing, doing something really fun, hopefully eating a lot, surfing a lot, enjoying all the honu in the water, the turtles. But regardless, Johnny, we love you. We can't wait to have you back on this piece and Friday's episode tomorrow for the Hot List Houlihan. So, one other thing I wanted to jump into right away is share with you kind of some feedback on a previous deal of the week. 2 weeks ago, we dropped this opportunity as deal of the week. So this was a one bedroom, two bath condo there in Ka'anapali across the street from Airport Beach. Originally listed at 960,500, they dropped it down to 699, showing some real motivation. We blasted it out, talked to a lot of people. This is an absolute deal, and it was. It went pending pretty much a day later after we shared it. And not just 699, they took 565,000. So almost 20% less, exactly 19% less than the list price. They closed it in 2 weeks with a cash offer. So what I'm trying to show you here is we do hand select these deals for a specific purpose. We do get a lot of people, a lot of followers, a lot of people in our database that come to our website that have reached out to us at open houses, this sort of thing. They always say, hey, let us know when you hear of a deal. That's why we started to put this together, why we started to break these down. So this was a deal. Someone got a deal, even to put some money into that. That thing's going to become a successful vacation rental, great second home, whatever it is that they're going to use it for. But 565 that ended up closing for us. So 2 weeks ago we sent this out. Just kind of wanted to show you kind of how the deals play out. So today though, I want to talk to you about this oceanfront property not too far up the road, just right in Johnny's neck of the woods. So this is 34 Papua Place. This is in Napili. You're looking at kind of Honokiana Cove right here in the foreground. This water, amazing snorkeling spot. There's a couple of two surf spots out front. Johnny knows the names of them. I don't know all the names of them, but they're popular surf spot for the local boys, especially the Johnnies. So what do we got here? We have 4.5 million for 3,146 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, just under a quarter of an acre, right here on this little peninsula, Papua Place. 10 homes here. Now, this one was built in 1989. So some of the history in this neighborhood, actually, Magic Johnson used to own in this neighborhood. Stevie Nicks was across the street, and Mick Fleetwood has a place close by. John Severson, who is the owner of Surf Magazine, Johnny's really excited about that, owns a place in this neighborhood. And here's the craziest part about all of it is in the last 22 years of MLS data, only three of these have ever come up for sale and sold. So you can see 7.5, 7.95, 7.4. They ended up closing 6.5, 6.8, 7.2 was the last one in 2021, right in the heart of COVID there. But you can see they don't come to market very often. It does take some time for them to move sometimes. Didn't in COVID, which is typically what we're seeing, but very desirable spot to be. So everything in the neighborhood is about 7 or 8 million. Why we think this is a deal? One, 4.5 million. We don't think that's the bottom price. If you come in with a cash offer, you move quickly, close quickly, 2 weeks, something like that. We think you could get this down to 3.75, maybe even 3.5. So you get it for 3.5, 3.75. You put 750 into it, maybe a million into it. It does need some work in the Ohana. There is a bit of a Ohana above the garage, had a fire in it, so that's currently unusable. Johnny had a buddy that used to live there. Um, we think you could get someone back in there, maybe $4,000 a month, a professional couple in that one bedroom, one bath Ohana. Keeps an eye on the place for you, but you put 750 into it, put $1 million into it. This is easily a $7 million property all day long with those kind of updates. Could push that up even further. And we are continuing to see that oceanfront opportunities go up and up and up. So beautiful, quiet location, gated, Honokiana Cove, amazing snorkeling right out front, surf spots out front, underpriced, undervalued for what it is. We'll break down some numbers for you real quick. So this one listed at currently as is for 1,400 per square foot. The other one active is about 2,000 a square foot. And you'll see the sold properties, those three I showed you earlier, 1,800, 2,000, 1,900 per square foot. So you're under the market value. Obviously, they see some concern with the fire in there, but this is an opportunity. This is a deal of the week to find something oceanfront in a beautiful spot in a gated community for $4 million. And with that potential, put some money into it, you're elevating your number back up. So 34 Papaua Place is our deal of the week this week. The absolute best value for oceanfront desirable living on Maui right now. So that's why we're bringing it to your attention. We know this might not be the right fit, the right deal for everyone, but for someone, this is absolutely a deal, and they're going to enjoy it for many, many years to come. Let me check my notes real quick, make sure I didn't miss anything. Boom. Oh yeah, one last thought. So the 3 to 4,000 a month for the 1-1 cottage definitely covers your taxes. So someone to kind of keep a watch on the property, cover your taxes. Another interesting feature about this property. So if this is something you're interested in, you want more information, we can dig into it. We only covered a few things here. If it's something someone else is interested in, maybe you have a friend that wants something like this, send it to them, share it with them. We'd be happy to have a conversation if it might make sense for them. Otherwise, tune in next week for our featured deal of the week. Every week is something different. It just depends on what we're seeing, what's in the community. We try to mix it up a little bit, give you some land, some single family, some residential, some oceanfront, some vacation rental. We do have people looking at all kinds of opportunities, all kinds of deals. So until next time, thank you for your watching and viewing. We're almost up to 100 subscribers. Share with a friend. At 100, we're going to do something really cool. If you have comments, concerns, drop them down below. Otherwise, aloha and happy birthday, Johnny. We'll see you on the Aloha Friday episode tomorrow. Ciao for now.